Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another interesting and exciting topic. So in today's video we are going to explore Google Antigravity, Google's brand new next generation IDE. So recently Google introduced Google Antigravity, an AI powered agentic development platform. So you can think of it as the evolution of the traditional IDE, moving from simple code editor to agent first development. So Google Antigravity is Google's next gen AI code environment, very similar to VS Code, so but with deeply integrated AI agents built right into the editor. So because of this, it's become extremely fast, intelligent, and easier to use for developers of all levels. So the popular use cases with the help of you can use that as a professional front end or full stack. So talking about the front end, you can see, so we can build a beautiful responsive and high performance front end app with the help of AI. You can see on the screen. So we can create or build the professional front end app using AI. Then next, that is professionals. So with the help of this use case, Antigravity enhance knowledge management, organize our project context and boost our coding efficiency with smart AI agents. With the help of AI agents, we can enhance our coding practices. And with the help of this full stack, so this IDE is perfect. So with the help of this, we can build the end-to-end application using single environment. So the AI agents can help us to build front-end, back-end, and API integration along with documentation, testing, and more. So this is very powerful or interesting things that everything is combined in one IDE. So to download this anti-gravity, you can simply click on this download button. So I have just downloaded this exe file. So you can simply click on download. So after the installation, you will be, this is the landing page of this anti-gravity IDE. So to access this, we have to do the anti-gravity authentication, or we have to authenticate this app. So let's log in with my account. It is required. So let's do sign in, authenticated. So now we can see it is authenticated agents. We can add any projects in this or clone the repository and do some stuff. So let's open some of the file. I have a project. Let's do open this demo app. I have created a couple of projects. So let's do this. You can see app.demo is getting added. And it is pretty much similar to the VS Code. So let's open any file like we did in VS Code. So here is the trick. With the help of this add rate, we can add a specific file to understand the code. So I have added, let's do add rate.js, and then we'll just explain the code. And accordingly, it will explain this entire app.js file, what are the libraries that we used and what are the CSS or the things that we added in this app.js file. So you can see it is analyzing, and once it is done, then it will simply return the output. You can see this file is React functional component. It has the state management. With the help of this use state, we maintain the query and all those things. So in this way you can add a specific file like this. So we can use the terminal, or you can add the terminal logs over here also, and then you can do the artifacts. And then this is the open agent managers. So with the help of this, we can create the multiple agents, and then we can create the manager, and then we can use this as a editor window, and we can create the RAG applications and many more. And then we can run the application that we did in the VS Code like this npm start, then it will automatically start our React app that we run it like this. So it is very simple to use, and there are a lot of new features also included. So we can add the extension. So here is the extension. We can add any specific extension or the recommended one, and then you can use it. Then there is one, you can use the browser preview here. So we can simply click, it will open a new window, and then we can simply install this extension or the setup, and then we can use it. So that's all about the Google Antigravity IDE, how to set up, how it works and how it is similar to the VS Code and how we can easily open and run our applications and projects using the powerful new IDE. There are many more other features inside the anti-gravity that you can explore, and trust me, this is just the beginning of Google's agentic development era. If you found this video very helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to support the channel. And as I always say, keep learning, happy coding, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, have a great day.